enough. Wow. I don't even know who installed this. It's crazy. This used to be a polar rope. I don't know what all those cables are for. What is this? Oh, that's the safety. I think we're at the top. No, there's another floor. And it does automatically stop. Wow, this thing is crazy old. I want to know what that's for. Also, look at the end of the rails. There's some sort of box up there. I can't tell what it is. Is that like lubricant or what is that? And there's one on the other side there too. And then you can also kind of see the motor. Not really, they have this thing over the top, but can you see into the room a little bit? Yeah, you can see the brake. You can just see it. A little bit there. See it? See the motor? Is there a brand on here? Do we see a brand? I don't see a brand. No, I don't see a brand. Alright, anyway, back down. I do not know what that is for. So this used to be pull the rope. Yeah, look. There used to be like there are two holes up in the top there where the rope would be. You see them? And there's a panel here covered up. So I bet you this did used to be pull the rope. Interesting. Go up once more, just a two. Pretty good leveling joint. Anyway, look at that, an old switchboard. That's cool. That will be all.